and the hearing has once again, as expected, been adjourned till tomorrow. That's the breaking news coming in, ladies and gentlemen. The hearing has once again been adjourned till tomorrow. Let's go across to Sahil. Sahil, on expected lines, it's been adjourned till tomorrow. Proceedings only started at about 3:30 today, so it's been about 2 hours of arguments. It looks like the NCB will only be able to present its opposition to bail tomorrow in the High Court. But we also know that there are only 2 days left for bail to be granted, without which Aryan Khan will spend the next over 2 weeks in jail.
Well, now it looks like that the hearing is at its last stage, because the 3 of the accused who were supposed to argue have finished their arguments. Munmun Dhamecha's lawyers have also completed his argument. Arbaz Merchant has also completed his argument. Aryan Khan's arguments were over yesterday. Now tomorrow is the crucial day. After NCB's argument, likely this happens. I don't want to predict any kind of a judgment. But normally what we have seen, that if a judge has decided that the bail should be granted, then normally the operational order is given, because the person is inside the jail and he should not be in the jail if the court has already decided that the bail should be given. Then the operating order is given immediately. The detailed order of the bail comes later date. So basically right now the priority for the Aryans and other lawyers is to get their clients outside the jail. So they will be pushing for the operating order if the tomorrow Narcotics Control Bureau completes their argument with respect to all the accused. Moreover, their argument about all the accused is the same. I mean, most of the time it's the same, because with Aryan and Arbaz, it's with respect to the WhatsApp chats. With Munmun Dhamecha, it is with respect to the conspiracy angle, which they have said that all of them, all the 20 people are part of the conspiracy. So they have made these arguments repeatedly. Only this time, we'll have to wait and see that how they come up with this Pooja Dadlani angle, which Mukul Rohatgi has already said that they have nothing to do with it. They don't want to be part of it. So tomorrow, once the NCB's arguments are over, if the judge has made up his mind, the court has made up his mind, they may give the operating order. I have not seen yet what Vidya had said, that tomorrow at what time the hearing has been kept. If it is afternoon, then of course the NCB gets full 2 hours to argue their side of the story, and it's already 5:30. So it seems that normally the court sits till 6 o'clock.
Yes,
if it is at the last stage and they can do with it. So ASG is going to argue. So ASG is saying that he will take 1 hour, is what he has clarified. So a Narcotics Control Bureau's advocate, Additional Solicitor General, will argue for at least 1 hour, which is very clear. So it looks like that tomorrow all the argument part is definitely going to get over. So if